MySQL management eating up too much of your time? Ready to automate those time-consuming tasks so you can refocus on product? ScaleGrid's Database as a Service platform allows you to deploy, monitor, provision, and scale your clusters seamlessly in both public and private clouds. Create a new MySQL cluster in minutes with the Creation Wizard. Enter a unique name, select your data center region, VM size, version, and storage engine to kick off the process. Then, we can customize our high availability setup by enabling a master-slave configuration. Choose between asynchronous or semisynchronous replication and select the data center regions you wish to replicate to. Enable SSL and disk encryption in 2 clicks, then enter your IP addresses to configure your firewall rules. Review the details on the last page and click Create to spin up your first cluster. Once your cluster is live, grab your connection string to connect your MySQL cluster to your application using any of these popular programming languages and interfaces. Now, let's walk through MySQL backups. On your Overview tab, click the Backups and Restore button and select Backups. You can perform a one-time backup on demand or customize a backup schedule based on frequency, start time, number to retain, and your backup target. Click Save to automate your backup schedule and restore a backup anytime in just 3 clicks. When you're ready to scale up, just click the Scale button on your MySQL Cluster Details page and select your new instance size to dynamically scale up your CPU, memory, and disk size automatically. So long as you have a replica set, your deployment will scale through a rolling upgrade with 0 downtime for your application. Find the monitoring console on your MySQL Cluster Details page to get advanced insight into your deployment. Select between your master and slave server, time range to analyze, and time zone you're located in. The Overview tab provides all your MySQL performance reports, including ops counter, connections, threads activity, and open table metrics. Select the expand icon in the corner for a detailed look into your performance and definitions on the metric. You can also check out your operating system metrics, MongoDB storage engine metrics, and replication metrics by switching between the top tabs. One of the most powerful MySQL tools at ScaleGrid is the Slow Query Analyzer. Dive into a heat map of all the queries in your system for any particular time range. The higher up a query, the slower it is, and all queries of the same type have the same color. Click over a bubble to see what type of query is associated with it, and drag to zoom in for a closer look at a specific time range. The pie chart on the right breaks down top queries causing read load in your system, and the report below allows you to analyze your query data in a detailed tabular format that can be sorted by column. ScaleGrid is also the only multi-cloud DBaaS platform that allows you to host and manage your MySQL instances through your own cloud setup. Simply create a cloud profile to connect to your AWS or Azure account and begin leveraging advanced capabilities like virtual private clouds, security groups, and reserved instances to save up to 75% on your long-term hosting costs. You also maintain full control over your deployments with MySQL Super User Access and SSH access to your machines. Manage all of your open source databases in one centralized management console alongside your MySQL deployments, including Postgres, Redis, and MongoDB. Ready to automate your time-consuming MySQL operations? Start a free 30-day trial at scalegrid.io to explore all the incredible features at your fingertips. Don't waste another minute. Get back to what you love most, building your amazing applications.